Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding with Tricks. Today we are going to see Group Anagrams problem from LeetCode. It falls under medium category. So given an array of strings str's, group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, so what we can say is an anagram. Right, so if we see this is ABCD, right, so what anagram means that occurrence of each character should be same, right? So here A comes one time, B comes one time, C comes one time, D comes one time, okay? Then B A double C is then A comes one time, B come one time, A come one time, C come two times, right? B8 double B. A come one time, B come two times, and D come one time. BACD. So A come one time, B come one time, C come one time, D come one time. So if we see carefully, this one and this one have same occurrence of same characters. Correct? So these two, this and these two are anagrams. So what we will do, we will create one big hash map which has a key as a hash map. This hash map is of type character integer, and second it has a values which will be of list of string. Okay. So what we will do, that we will put the keys, means this is our key, right? So we will put this hash map as a key over here, and in values we will put this string. Okay, this string we will put here. Okay, then for this there will be different key, correct, because these two are not. Okay, and we will put this value over here. Okay, then for this key we will put value here, we will put key here, and accordingly we will put value also over here. Okay, now this is already there, right? This key already we have. So what we will do, we will add this string in this list. Okay. Okay, if things are not clear, I will code it. So yeah, after that everything will be clear. So let's create. First of all, we need to return it in list of string. Okay, so let's create that first. List of string. I am naming it as result. Okay, that is equals to new array list. Okay, now let's create one hash. Okay, this hash map has a key as a hash map of character, comma integer, correct, and value as list of string. Okay, I am naming it as big map. That is equals to new hash map. Okay, now what we will do, we will iterate over this string array. Okay, so for string strs, first of all we will create this frequency map. Frequency map means this one. This one is our frequency map. This is frequency map. Okay, this is F, frequency map, and this is our final big map. Okay, big. So let's create first frequency map. So for that let's create first frequency map, hash map, character, integer, fmap equals to new hash map. Okay, now we will add values in this map. So fmap dot put key will be character, right? So this str dot okay. We need to create one loop also here for integer I equals to 0, I less than str dot length I plus plus. We will iterate over this string. Now we will check if now we will put these values in hashmap dot put str dot character at I. This will be our key. Okay, the character, right? This will be our key. This one. And now we need to put value also. Correct. So what we will do, fmap dot get all default here we will put 0 plus 1. This will be str dot character at I. Okay. So what this stands for? So what we are doing here, that we are putting character as a key, which is clear, right? Now the question regarding this. So what this will do, get or default function will act like if it doesn't exist, then it will put 0. Okay, but if it exists in that map, then first of all it will get this get value of this key, is this character. For example, we got some value. Now it will do +2. Correct. So we can say short form of if we do two conditions, that if it is not present, then we will put 0. If it is present, then we will get the value and do +2. So it's doing the same in shorter manner. Okay. So we created this frequency map. Okay, so this is done. Now we need to create this big map. Okay, so let's create it. So here we will check if big map dot contains key. If this big map has this frequency map. Okay, let's take this condition. It doesn't has this. So this is the first time. Correct. So here we will create one list of type string. List was to view array list. List dot add that is str. Correct. This is str we are adding here. Got it? This one. Now we will add the value in big map. Big map dot put key is frequency map, comma value is list. Correct. Okay. Now this is if. Now let's go for else. So in else, what we will else means big map contains key as fmap, right? So here we will take the value. We don't need to create a new list, right? We just need to take the value. So big map dot get from that fmap frequency map. Okay. Now let's add the value list dot add str. So we can say this big map is ready, right? So here we have anagram pair, here also, correct? So what we will do, from this array list we will create list of string. Okay, so let's create that list. Okay, list of string is already created. We just need to add that, right? We already created it in starting here. So we just need to add the values which are present here. Okay, so let's do that. So we will iterate here for list of string list in big map dot values. So big map dot values will give us all the values which are present here, or we can say all the values of big map. Okay, so we will iterate here, and now let's add it in our this resultant, right? So result dot add list, right? We will directly add this list, got it? Because result is of list of string, right? So we will directly add list in result, and let's return this result. Okay, let's run it. Okay, this disk is got passed, and let's try to submit. Yeah, as you can see, we got success, right? So yeah, if you didn't understand it properly, I highly recommend to watch my video again and again. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.